both teams now sell a very good match, a very good game to supporters. It's unfortunate as a Kotoko supporter, yeah, we're on the losing side. But I feel say the hungrier team won because Kotoko born and here, but we were playing a very good game. But me said we were playing for a draw. So at this level, no, any slight chance can be punished. And Berekum, Chelsea had an opportunity and scored. And to me, they deserve the win. Though we are not happy with what happened, but they deserve the win. And I think that the hungrier team in winning. That's how I see it. And take a care of what can I know. Good.
Very painful loss. Very painful loss. Very painful loss. But today I would say, even though the referee wasn't fair, but our players let us down. For this last minute goal, in fact, it has really entered me. I'm telling you, very painful loss. Very painful loss. But we'll take it like that. We have no option than to take it like that. Very painful.
Whether your fans in Berekum Chelsea. In the game, no, it was fantastic. Boy, my witness will go in City here. Apart from dreams, no, but me dreams no could have free. I think this is the best game I'm witness here because tactically no Kotoko, no more top too much. And the coach some board. In fact, I never board Juma ye papa or buy or board Juma. I never see a bona basu board Juma ye because who say mobile flying balls no. One or start here more the ball two for me in the second half. And in the second half, no, now now we're finishing now. In fact, and then it's when we say, Yanni has no, Bibu, and it has a minute better.
Mr. Master Kotoko boy, but keep an answer. Never want to be a keep an answer. And again, so her referee now, born no D, no. I think it's mine and be out here, born be. Fine, Kotoko born, they do baby, never who knew about referee some Wakotoko. I referee Wakotoko, and I'm referee Wakotoko. And the chances of France say, better team win the game until I never fan. Nina, I'm to Kotoko, coffee, that way homework ye. Next week against House of Folk, until I prepare ye, Semisha House of Folk.
Clearly, the Asante Kotoko fans are not happy with what they saw, and I like what he said in the end that Berekum homework. Next week we are playing hard.